Crypto billionaire 69 back with another daily in-depth technical analysis. Alvaro, Adam, Ian, Mr. Joyner, Jesse, Gene, Matt, Intune, Shakia, Natasha, John, Zachary, Jose, Josh, Greg, David, Cookies Burnt, Brandon, Rama, Michael, JTA, Hujic, Josh, Cody, Lusalito, Gruntacular, Ben, Ryan, Jason, Alexandre, Sarek, Justin, Gibran, Daniel, Brett, Nathan, Rowan, Bob, Cross, Johnny, Jonathan, Sam, and Jador, my beautiful friends in the Patreon. Welcome, my beautiful friends. We have a few spots left if you want to join the group. We got 43. Believe we have around 5 spots left, so check it out. Link in the description. Real-time buy and sell alerts, along with daily updates. Let's get straight into the charts, my beautiful friends. All right, so currently Bitcoin is retracing back down to the $40,000 levels, just like we have said. Look at this, look at this, look at this. We are showing some buying pressure here. I'm going to drop the time frame so we can get a little more action. What's going on? We are seeing some buying pressure around these 41,000 levels, all right? That's a good thing. That's a good thing. That means buyers don't want it to step lower into these $40,000 levels again. And it's making higher lows. So it's a good thing, but we want to see this hold up within the next 2 days. We want to see a push higher above this 42,500 level again, and making this resistance new support. So it'll look something like this. Push up and then make higher lows, move higher again. All right, we want to create another support along these 43,300 lines to the left. So if it breaks through this, comes back, we just want to see it move upwards. Now, it probably won't look this clean. It'll most likely look something like, let me delete this line just so it is easier to comprehend. So it will most likely look something like this. Come up, stagger around, break through, come up, stagger again, come back down, stagger, and then come through. Something like that. Just because there's a lot of sellers coming in here. There's a lot of sellers coming in here, and people don't want it to move through as fast as possible because that will allow the weak hands to make money. And weak hands don't make money. Diamond hands, baby. Diamond hands in the comment section, my friends. This is Bitcoin and what we're looking at here. Now, if it breaks to the downside, what we got to look for, if it comes back down, tests, kind of hodls around, and then breaks to the lower, we want to see a support around this $40,000 level coming back up, breaking this, moving back into this previous resistance. That's what we want to see. Got it? Cool. Now, let's say it breaks this $40,000 level. I'm going through all scenarios right now, my friends. And it's just a matter of time before one of these plays out, and then we pull the trigger on what to do. So the lowest resistance we have to the left is this $39,600 level. And it not only touched it once, it touched it twice right here. So that is what we want to look for. If it does break through that $40,000 level, I'm going to just draw another line just to show you guys. Might get complicated here, but okay. So comes through, staggers, breaks through. All right. It could even show some buying pressure around the 40,000. It probably will because that's support. Let's say it makes a double bottom, breaks again. All right. We want to see it come back down here. Now, this is the only thing that can happen in order for this to be healthy. If it comes back down here, we want to see it shoot back up with a green candle with volume. Big volume. Breaking through the $40,000 level and basing on the $40,000 level again. If we don't see that volume coming in here, around this $39,600 level, that is when, if we were day trading, I would say that is when you should start averaging out, all right? So, because we'll be heading back down to these $30,000 levels. Let me get real specific, though. Go to these 4-hourly time frames. We'll be heading back down to these $37,000 levels. How'd I get that? Look at this previous low here. After that, we'll be heading back down to around these $33,000 levels. After that, we'll be heading back down to here, 31,000, and then for the major support, we'll be heading back down to the more of the 29,400. So these are the levels we're looking at, and based on what happens here, we will have it will have a significant impact on what happens in the coming days. So we want to see, this is the most bullish case scenario. Now, based on the overall market sentiment, it is in extreme fear still, I believe, which is a great thing. It's a great thing because that means we are reaching lows, okay? Whenever we see fear, especially this, that means we are at a low because people are scared, all right? Now, what we want to see, I don't know if we've seen this yet, is these big players sell and it drop. We want to see that happen. We want to, not the big players, we want to see the retail traders sell off their bags so this market drops lower. Because right now people are still buying. A lot of retail traders are still buying. They see this as a discount, which makes me think it could drop even lower to scare them all out before moving to the upside. So that's what we got to look for. It very well could happen, my friends. If we drop down through this $40,000 level, I do believe we'll be heading back down to these 33,000s at the minimum. Even the 30,000s, because that will scare everybody out that's buying here. And there's a lot of retail traders buying here because they're using simple TA, simple technical analysis, which is good, but you got to pair it with the emotional cycles, okay? You got to pair it with those emotional cycles, or else you're trading off of simple charts, which can be helpful if you're day trading. But if you're swing trading long, if you're swing trading for more than 3 days, then emotions come into play. All right. So we are following trend line. We have even broke it considerably. If you pair it up with this, you see what we're doing here. So it's actually quite, that's what it's basing on, is this trend line here. We broke it once, came back up, and we're basing again. So if this looks complicated, that's because there's a lot of lines in it. Yeah, this is just what it takes, technical analysis, but it's really simple. Pretty much how you get these horizontal lines, you look to the left and look at previous support and resistance levels. Now, look at the volume of the support and resistance levels. However big the volume is how much that support level should act as a barrier to the downside. Now, this trend line, it's basic TA. This is what's making people confident that it will bounce off of this and move to the upside. If it does that, that is a very beautiful move. Very, very beautiful move. Because if you look at the Fibonacci level right now, we are down considerably. We've broken through the 0.618 level. We are basing around this trend line. So right now it's just a matter of time before we move to the upside or downside and see what we have to do. So yeah, this is really what matters right now. Dogelon Mars is simply following this chart. So let's get straight into the Dogelon Mars analysis for all you beautiful people. Let's get into it. So we are down 2.21%, approaching the 12 levels. I'm pretty sure we were just under those 12 levels a couple minutes ago. So we are showing some buying pressure around that, which is a great thing, beautiful thing. We are creating higher lows. And if it wasn't for Bitcoin, we would be spiked. This is simply because Bitcoin has been retracing. And honestly, I think it is a great thing. Great thing because it is allowing a lot of people are selling their bags right now. A lot of retail traders are selling their bags, which is moving this price lower. All right. They're getting scared out. And this is how we know that. Not only this, but we know that because of these red candles, because of this, okay, let me tell you guys something. This is big. These candles are big money stepping in. institutions buying. These candles are retail traders, all right? And institutions making, okay, look, whenever you see a big candle, it's big money, okay? This is when big money stepping in to show that this is a support level, big money. This is retail traders buying and selling their bull crap. It doesn't matter. This is big institutions stepping in to show this support. So as we stagger lower, these are retail traders because institutions would look like this. Big money looks like this. Retail trader looks like this. So if the retail traders are selling, what is the big money going to do? They're going to buy it at a discounted price, moving it higher. So this is what I think is going to happen, all right? Now, I could very well be wrong, but we shall see in the coming days. This is what I think is going to happen. It's going to come down, touch these 12 levels, maybe even at an extreme case, touch these 1131 levels, and then it will push up with a big candle with volume, overbearing previous resistance and closing above this 13 level. That's what I think is going to happen, simply based on the retail traders selling and the institutions wanting to get in before it comes back down to their break-even point here. All right. Now, if Bitcoin breaks 40,000 and we head down to the 33,000s, then we'll definitely be heading back down to these 10 levels. Big money won't be able to hold it up because not only is this decreasing in value, but the whole overall market is decreasing in value at this time, which makes everything drop because it's all pegged off of Bitcoin. It's all pegged off of one thing. And if that one thing drops, everything decreases in value. So, my beautiful friends, that's what we need to look out for. This is what I think is going to happen. Comes back down, pushes higher. This is the best case scenario. This is what we want to see, is this big green candle with volume overbearing all these previous little red candles here, all right? That will show that buyers are stepping in and we are moving to the upside. Now, this is the daily candles. Let's go into the 2 hourly candles and see what price action we're looking like here. All right, here we go. What's going on? Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this? 2 hourly candles. HODL strong, my friends. All right, I don't know what's going on. That is weird. What is going on? Why is it doesn't exist anymore? What? Okay, I don't know if that's a glitch or if something just happened to Elon. Daily, it shows the daily charts, but not the 3 hourly. There we go. All right. Yeah, so pretty much what we want to see here is volume. We want to see volume push in, big candles come in. Now, it will look more like this right here, this push to the upside. That's what we want to see. We want to see fast action. Boom. And that's how we know that support is confirmed and we will be moving to the upside in the future. Crypto Billionaire 69. Join the Patreon, buy and sell alerts, and a beautiful community. Yeah, guys, this is what we got looking forward to. Now, we are still in accumulation phase, so in the coming months, expect this thing to rocket. However, right now, we're going to look back on these prices and be like, holy crap, why would I sell? These were the best prices to buy in at. And we're going to look back on it, and that's what I'm here for. I'm here to help you guys make the best decisions and avoid the dumb decisions, especially the dumb emotional decisions, because personally, I've done all of them. I know all of this, not all of the scenarios. I'm not all-knowing, but I have been through these emotional cycles before. Now, it has lost me a lot of money. It has made me a lot of money. So, I have learned, and I'm simply here to share my knowledge with you guys so you don't have to make the same freaking mistakes and you can retire early. All right? My beautiful friends, changing 100 lives this year. I want to help 100 people make over 100 grand this year with cryptocurrency. If you're interested, hit me up. Shoot me an email at mycryptomoves@gmail.com. We can talk. I can provide you with some insights, some advice. And my beautiful friends, I will catch you on the flip side. Peace.